So we just had our first pickup for the $25 bumpers, and we found out what car that belongs to. It belongs to a Toyota Corolla. It must be like an E100 or something like that, because I've been looking at pictures. It's pretty sure it's not an AE92 because those bumpers have black molds. So it's definitely for one of those old school cars. But just glad that Chris is happy with the end results. He's quite happy, especially for he paid $50 for both bumpers. He's absolutely quite happy for it, and I think he was more happy on the go-kart. So let's have a watch at how he enjoyed it and what he thought. So we have Chris picking up his bumpers, and he's going to take the go-kart for a little squirt just to see what it's about.
Oh, let's see.
It's on, by the way.
Yeah, I figured.
Yeah, I got ya.
Just make a left. Yeah. Hang on a second. I'm gonna go. Oh, we've got a bus. That's fine. It's fast. It goes sideways real easy. It does make you want to do some stupid shit though.
Yeah, wait till you jump on the trails, man.